Most people do not live their dream life because it wasn't truly necessary for them to move towards their dream. They didn't make their dream a must. What's going on, my friend? Welcome to this video. My name is FIAT, and if your dream is to travel around the world, to make thousands of dollars while you're sleeping and reach financial freedom, then you absolutely need to learn how to make your dream a must. When your back is against the wall, when there is no plan B, there is no plan C, there is your dream and there is no excuses, and you're just taking massive action to make it happen. That's when you have the full drive, the full motivation, the full inspiration from the inside to go and make the dream happen. You see, there is 4 things specifically that you can do to really motivate yourself to move towards your dream. Number 1, you want to attach your identity to your dream. So this is part of who you are and what you do. So whatever is the goal, set it clearly, this goal, put it in writing and say, I am this person. I earn this much money per month. And really attach your identity, because this is who you are. We as humans, we are staying consistent with how we define ourselves. Our identity is the strongest force in our personality. So why not attaching your identity and then start being consistent with that identity? Second, you have to be obsessed. Be obsessed about your goal, about your dream, that you think about it when you wake up, you think about it when you go for lunch, you think about when you go to sleep, you think about all day long. You're obsessed so much about your goal and dream that other people start to think that you are a little bit too crazy, and that's all right. That's how you should be, a little bit too crazy, a little bit too obsessed about your dream. Number 3, do it not just for yourself, do it for others. Do it for the people that are closest to you, the people that you love. Close your eyes. Imagine you're already living your dream, and how would that make the people that are the closest to you, your family, your loved ones, how would it make their life much better? How would that change their life? And how would that make you feel? Blessed? Grateful? Proud? How would that make you feel? And really associate yourself to those great feelings, and then find that internal hunger, that drive, that motivation, that inspiration that you're going to achieve your goal and dream, not just for yourself, but for the benefit of all the people that are closer to you. And number 4, feel the urgency. So why now is the time to change your life, to go after your big goal and dream? Why it cannot wait? We get in life what we tolerate. Why no longer you are going to tolerate the way that you live your life now? How much money you make right now? What is the lifestyle you live right now? Why no longer you're going to tolerate that, and why you're going to take massive action right now to change your life? Feel the urgency. We have only so many days to live. We have so much that we want to do and accomplish and be and travel. So feel that sense of urgency and kick yourself in the butt and take massive action right now. You see, when I developed those 4 things inside, internally, externally, and really made my dream a must, I no longer tolerated the way I was living, making $1,000 a month, living paycheck to paycheck, having my debts, and I'm like, this is not who I am, this is not my life, I cannot stand it. So I said, I'm a multi-millionaire. I earn hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. I became obsessed about my goal. Every day I took massive action. I realized how it changed not just my life, but the life of my family, my mother, my brother, my family. And feeling the urgency is taking action right now. So I hope that you're going to take these 4 forces and apply them fully to drive you towards your big goals and dreams with bigger force than you ever had before, because you burned those bridges, you burned the boat, there is no plan B, there is only your dream, and it is a must for you to make it happen. It's been Vitaly Dumbinin, and I will see you in the next video.